In today's video, I will walk you through how to trade on TradingView with Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are signed in to TradingView. Once you're ready, open any chart inside TradingView. Locate the trading panel. If the panel is collapsed, look for the Panel tab or the small arrow along the lower edge of the screen and expand it. Once the trading panel is open, look through the list of available brokers. Find Pepperstone in the list. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar or scroll through the available options until you find it. When you locate Pepperstone, click Connect. This will open a secure login window. Enter your Pepperstone account credentials into the login window and continue through the sign-in process. If your account uses additional security verification, complete that step as required. Once the connection is successful, your Pepperstone account information will appear inside the trading panel. Next, choose the market you want to trade. At the top of the chart, use the search box to find the symbol you want. You can search for a Forex pair, index, commodity, or another supported instrument. After selecting the market, review the chart and make sure you are looking at the symbol you want to trade. When you're ready to place an order, click Buy if you want to open a long position. If you want to open a short position, click Sell instead. The order panel will appear. Enter the quantity for your trade in the quantity field. After entering the position size, set your stop loss level. Then, enter your take profit level in the appropriate field. Carefully review all of the order details shown in the order panel. Check the quantity, stop loss, take profit, and any other information displayed before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, confirm the order. Your trade will then become active and appear in the trading panel. After the position is open, monitor it directly from the trading panel. You will be able to view your open positions, entry price, current profit or loss, and account information from this section. As the market moves, continue monitoring the trade using the details displayed in the panel. When you decide to exit the position, go back to the trading panel and locate the open trade. Click on the position to select it, then choose the Close option. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm the action to close the trade. Once completed, the position will be exited at the available market price. And that's all there is to it. Open the trading panel, connect your Pepperstone account, select a market, place your trade, monitor the position, and close it directly from TradingView when you're ready. Thank you for watching.